Hey guys, today we're going to be putting on a Ishields case protector. Let's see how easy this thing is. So first thing you want to do, grab this like so, clean your phone. This comes in the little black package, and again, just get it on there. You just want to make sure you get it. Looks like this. After that, take your microfiber, clean it up, shine it. You want it looking no fingerprints. Perfect, yeah. Perfect. Next thing you want to do, looking at this, we're going to put our applicator over top of it. So unplug it if it's plugged in. It'll say bottom and top. Just going to take it on the sides like so. Like that. Make sure we didn't put anything on it. If we see anything whatsoever, microfiber handy. Do that. And then after we do that, you peel it, remove the back film, align the top, and then you're going to use the microfiber cloth to apply. Apparently gently remove the applicator, and then you're going to let it set for 24 hours. I don't know a lot of people that let it do that, but again, that is completely up to you. Showing you how to align this though might be fun. Basically all we're going to do is we're going to pull it out of here, make sure that you don't get this glass dirty, peel off the side that it tells you to peel, and you're going to just stick it on. It's really easy with this applicator. And like that, it's done. Just make sure that you take your time with it. I use the applicator, and then if you have a little bit of air bubbles, you might have to lift the sides again, and if you lift the sides, then you can work the air bubbles. Like if you're going to lift the side, try and show you with my fingernail here, not going to work. So you would actually just lift like the corner all the way to where the air bubble is, and then slowly rub it back and forth from the center all the way to the edge, and that will work the air bubbles out, and then it looks like that when it's done.